Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the mobile data isn't working on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. So, first thing that we can do if the mobile data isn't working on the smartphone is swipe down the quick settings menu and enable the airplane mode to reset all kinds of connections for about 10 seconds. Then disable airplane mode and let your device reconnect to the mobile data. And if this doesn't help you, go to settings, then go to mobile networks, then select your active mobile data SIM card, go to access point names, select reset, and wait until the reset is completed. Optionally, you can also enter your mobile data provider website. In my case, it's Play Internet, and check their custom APN settings. If they have ones, just enter them. Just find the access point settings for your internet provider and then enter them manually in this menu. Now, if this didn't help you, then make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted into your smartphone. To do so, first let's remove the back cover from the smartphone and then locate the SIM card tray. Prepare a tool-like device, a pin-like tool to insert it into this tiny hole on the edge of the tray, and this way open the tray by pushing the pin into the hole. Then carefully remove the tray from the smartphone and make sure that your SIM card is inserted properly. By the way, your device has 2 SIM card slots on both sides, so check which side you have your SIM card inserted into. For example, here we would have the second SIM card if I had one with me. So this way, this one is in the SIM1 port and it's properly inserted. You can also carefully clean the SIM card tray using a dry microfiber cloth, or just a dry towel or a paper towel. Then reinsert the SIM card and try checking your mobile data once again. And just in case this didn't help you, try restarting your smartphone by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time. Then swipe the circle down to reboot your device and wait until it is restarted. Let's give it a moment. Okay. And at this point, if this didn't fix your mobile data issue, then the last thing that we can do in order to resolve the problem on our side is go to settings, then go to more connectivity options, then scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, and select reset settings. Tap OK to confirm. Wait until the settings have been reset. After that, by the way, you're gonna have to connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password to your usual Wi-Fi once again. And if this didn't help you fix your mobile data problem, then at this point contact your carrier to verify your data plan. And that's basically it. That's all the troubleshooting steps, and I hope that this video helped you resolve your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.